your question. You said looking for some help because my brain is overloaded. Relatable. Can we use Sophia to translate to Somali? Thanks for helping my tired brain out. I got you. So we're in the platform. We're gonna go to tools, and where you can see I've already been looking. We're gonna click the translator tool. We're gonna put in what we want to translate, and then select this button here. It's a drop down, select target language. And we're going to look for Somali. We're scrolling. We see all the ones that we currently have in our translation tool. We don't have Somali. We can look at getting that added. However, because Sophia is a large language model, we're going to paste in, and this is just something real basic, and say translate this into Somali. And then we're going to let that run. And then we will see if just the regular conversations feature will allow us to translate into Somali. We'll give it a few seconds to run. On the back end, it's thinking, it's processing to translate into this language of Somali. So we'll give it a few seconds to run and see how Sophia does. Okay, I do not speak Somali. And so you see that we have this here. I would ask you to take a look at it and see if this is correct. Now, because I don't speak Somali, what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this. I'm going to paste it back in. Then I'm going to say translate this into English, and we'll see how it does. I'll compare this translation into with my original translation just to see and compare and see if it keeps a lot of the same context. Of course, you can expect some things might get lost in translation. I don't expect it to be a one-to-one, but let's see. Working memory problems and organizational challenges with folders, working memory difficulty of 68, very low level. I can see it changed some of the terminology already. Before we were saying extremely low range, and now it's saying very low level, which, for the most part, it translated into Somali. I can go back in and manually change this myself, but it significantly impacts the student's ability to organize materials such as folders. You can read everything, double check for any inconsistencies. But for the most part, it did a pretty decent job, at least going from Somali back into English. So you read this, see if it fits, double check. The short answer is yes, it can translate into Somali, but triple check everything before you send it out and make sure it's accurate. Give it a try. Let me know what you think.